Hello everyone and welcome to my channel to learn Ndebele with Patricia, and of course my name is Patricia Eto Intombi yakondlovu yona indlovu ethi nganyathela phansi kunyikinyeke umthombe enomuhle. So today we are going to be looking at common expressions in Ndebele, and you will learn how to express yourself in Ndebele. And today I'm going to give you 10 words, yeah, so that you can catch up and we can move faster on this journey, so that by the end of this year you will be talking Ndebele fluently. Yeah, so my first word is excuse me. Uxolo. I am sick. Ngiyagula. I am happy. Ngithabile. I am lost. Ngilahlekile. I am busy. Ngibambekile. I am fine. Ngiyaphila. I don't know. Angikwazi. I am sad. Ngidanile. Please. Ngiyacela. So for today, that's enough. You can go revise those words and get to know them so that you can learn how to express yourself around Ndebele people. Thank you. See you on my other video.